Ryan, it's time to film.
Oh, is it lunchtime already? Wow, I guess time flies when you're having fun. Honestly, I feel so charged up with all this energy around. Ha ha ha. Hi everyone, my name is Ian. Welcome to Ionize. Today, I want you to meet a very special friend of mine. This is Sparky. He's full of energy and ready to start your car. But watch out, Sparky, the streets are full of battery assassins. Today, we're looking at the 5 secret killers that want to turn your expensive battery into a heavy plastic brick. Stick around to the end because I'll show you the gold standard trick to picking a survivor at the shop.
Assassin number 1, the shakedown. If your battery isn't bolted down tight, it's living through an earthquake 24/7. Vibration shakes the lead paste right off the plates, shorts out the cells. And boom, Sparky is toast. Check your brackets, everyone.
Number 2, the silent cooker. Everyone blames the cold, but heat is the real killer. For every 8 degrees Celsius the temperature rises, Sparky's life is cut in half. It's basic chemistry. The acid gets angry and the plates corrode. A battery jacket is not just for frosty mornings. It's Sparky's protective armor.
Number 3, the deep drain left your lights on. Sparky hates being empty. When a battery sits at 0%, tiny crystals called sulfation grow on the plates like rust. Once they harden, you can't charge them back up. It's like trying to fill a bucket that's been filled with cement.
Number 4, the parasite. Did you really turn the car off? That cheap dashcam or phone charger is a phantom sucking Sparky dry while you sleep. If he's constantly fighting to stay alive, he loses his recharge memory and dies young. And plug those accessories.
And the final killer, the grime. That white, crusty fuzz on your terminals, that's acid vapor turned into a wall. It's like a bad Wi-Fi connection for your car. A simple cleaning with baking soda and water stops this assassin in its tracks.
So how do you pick a winner? Follow my gold standard checklist. Test before buying. Don't just take their word for it. Ask the retailer to test the new battery's voltage right in front of you. You want to confirm it is fully charged and healthy before it ever touches your car. The weight test, generally, a heavier battery means thicker lead plates. Thicker plates equals more lives. The right tech, don't put a standard battery in a car made for AGM or EFB. It's like putting regular shoes on a pro athlete they're gonna give up fast. Protect your Sparky from the assassins, and he'll start your car every time. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what killed your last battery? See you next time at Ionize.